Hey, good morning guys. So today we are replacing the defrost control board because as you can see, this system's completely frozen and it's not going into defrost. I tested this yesterday, but he also has a refrigerant leak in the indoor system. He's probably low about half a pound, which is not going to cause this. This is definitely because the defrost sensor is not activating and that defrost board's not working as it should, so we're going to replace that. In the meantime, I have the disconnect pulled out. I'm going to replace that shredder valve. Alright guys, so we are at the outdoor unit. If you guys are having trouble hearing me, we got a freeway right over there in the distance. Got the power up at the breaker, indoor and outdoor. We have the disconnect pulled here. Like I said, the unit is still frozen. I'm gonna get you guys set up so that the angles are always gonna be perfect. You guys can see that ice there. It's pretty bad. I was about to use my finger to push that contactor in, which probably wouldn't be the best, but that's how we also know there's no power. Or I can get my my volt meter. Now that I'm looking at this control board, if you guys look at the board there, you can see the two capacitors right here. They look kind of burnt. They definitely seen better days. A little bit later, I'll throw in a how do you test the defrost on your defrost board. I'll show you guys that here. But I'm gonna take a couple pictures for the wiring and then start taking this out. I wish I had a tripod for y'all, but I do not. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this part in or not. Let's get to work. Trying to find that sensor. I think that's it right there. That's the reverse valve. thought I heard that contactor clicking. I was like, what? I was shooketh. Some defrost. Hey guys, so I disconnected the housing here, took this off, took these two screws out here. Now I'm thinking I could probably reattach this top part. It looks to be on that copper wire. So here's a new sensor. It looks like they just have it on clamped onto one of the lines here. So obviously I'm going to unclamp it the best I can. Alright, so that's it. Everything's put back together. I'm going to put the disconnect back in. Of course, there's no power because we have it off of the breaker. That's gonna be it for this one, guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.